in the Rugby Championship when Duplessis was red carded. Brilliant stepper. But he may also be an area that the Sharks backline will want to target in his channel. Try and expose some defensive flaws. Wonderful scrum from the Sharks. And beautifully controlled as well by Ryan Kikowski at the base. There is the... Real pressure scrumless for the Hurricanes. Big psychological advantage from the Sharks at the previous scrum.
Well, let's just look at it from the other side. The Hurricanes are being driven backwards here. Ryan Kikowski, it's just so difficult to control the ball at the base, and number 8 practices all the time. He's picked it up there. Wow, look at that. Perinaro's gone in and ripped the ball away from him. I'm not sure that he was onside, but once he'd been allowed to...
With a forward pack like this, and you can see that dominating in every facet of the game, and I'd love a good old... That sets the platform for the backs, and